Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you log in to your Spriggy Pocket Money. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. At very first, you just simply have to open Spriggy Pocket Money application if you have installed it. Otherwise, open your browser and into the browser just simply search for Spriggy login. And after searching Spriggy login, you just simply have to open this Spriggy Australia's #1 pocket money application. And after that, you will directly get the option of logging your account if you have already joined Spriggy. You just simply have to tap to the login button, which button will be visible if you are in Australia or any countries which allows the Spriggy application. You just simply have to tap there and log in with your credentials, and that way you can very easily be logged into Spriggy. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.